Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today we're making catfish pepper soup. For this recipe I have my catfish. I'll start by washing off the slime. To do this, I'll sprinkle some salt around the fish and gently massage it. After that, I'll pour some hot water into it. My water is very hot, so I'll be adding a little cold water to it so I can dip my hands into the water and further wash my fish. Using a blunt knife, I'll be scraping the remaining slime off the skin of our fish. This washing process also helps to get rid of the foul smell that the fish has, such that you don't feel irritated when you eat your fish or the soup prepared with the fish. After this, I'll rinse it with cold water and go ahead to prepare our catfish pepper soup. We'll be going in with some vegetable oil, some chopped onion and garlic. Give it a good stir, and then we'll go in with our chopped tomato, our chili pepper and paprika. We'll stir them to combine properly, and then we'll leave it to fry. My pepper has fried for 2 minutes. It's now time to go in with my fish. I'll be seasoning this with some salt, some bouillon cubes, my mixed spices. Then give it a good stir so all the seasonings can be well incorporated. I'll cover this and leave it to simmer for 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes. We'll be going in with some water, just enough to cook our fish. And then we'll cover it and leave it to cook. Okay guys, let's see. Ooh, our fish is well cooked. We'll be adding more water, enough for our pepper soup. Once that is done, I'll give it a gentle stir. At this point, you can go ahead to confirm if your seasoning is to your taste or you need to add any additional seasoning. I'll be adding an extra bouillon cube and my pepper soup spice, and also season it with some salt and some onion. Give it a gentle stir to mix and cover it and leave it to simmer for 10 minutes. At this point, you should be cooking on a medium to low heat. It's 10 minutes, our soup is well cooked. I'll be adding a vegetable, which is the last ingredient that is going into this catfish pepper soup. I'm using both scent leaf and curry leaf for this recipe. Once that is done, give it a gentle stir and your catfish pepper soup is ready. You can have this with some white rice or some boiled ripe plantain. Trust me, you would enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.